Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to use real-time translation on your REALME 16 Pro Plus. First, go into Settings. Then go to Next AI and select AI Translate. We have voice options, for example, Mayo. The selected voice only supports text in simplified Chinese and English. Here you can download offline packages with all the options. We have English to Spanish, Spanish to English, Chinese to German, English to Vietnamese, and English to Indonesian. Now, let's use it. Open the Translate app. We can choose conversation or live translation. Select English to, say, Polish, and click Done. Press the microphone icon to start. Hello everybody, welcome back. As you can see, it works fine, recording my voice and everything. The live translation works using an AI Translate tool in real time. The accuracy is amazing, incredible. We can pause it here. It's really good, and you can also use it in a conversation with somebody. For example, we talk, then stop, and it should pop up. We can change it, say something in Chinese. Of course, it won't work properly. That's basically how the entire Translate works. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, leave a like, subscribe, and a comment. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.